Hello guys, welcome to Chaudhary Ranch feedlot fattening farm. There is our little farm and here we have a beautiful garden. The path have been set up. Everything is now being set up. We have the vegetables here. Carrots have been planted. I have planted carrots here and here, and here we have planted spinach. I have planted 13 seeds. There are different types of vegetables, and when they will grow up I will show you. I have alfalfa planted there for the ducks. This is brinjals, and different fruiting plants are present there. That is a fig plant. This is a beautiful, this is imported variety of red fruiter from Pakistan. This one also have different types of plants. That is mulberry plant. So I will show you guys all the planning we have and the harvest we are going to get from it. This is the kumquat plant. You can see little kumquats are already growing. See, little kumquats are already growing.